is with me right now.
Okay, gentlemen, we're live on the YouTube channel, so I'm going to be calling your cases. The 36th District Court is now in session for the morning session. I am Judge Miriam Martin Clark presiding, and the court is calling. Well, first of all, Senora Cox, because you need to interpret, please raise your right hand and be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that you will translate from Spanish to English and from English to Spanish to the best of your ability?
I do.
Thank you very much. You may lower your hand. And the court is calling case number U60218-021 Cristobal. Oh, I'm sorry. First name is Zephy Ramirez Cristobal. And the charge is offering to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Señora Cox, por favor.
Están llamando el caso a número U6021-8021 contra Seferino Ramírez Cristóbal, y los cargos son de solicitar a otra persona para que se involucre en un acto sexual.
If Senor Ramirez Cristobal is in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record. ¿Cómo se llama?
Señor Ramírez Cristóbal, por favor, diga su nombre en voz alta.
Seferino Ramírez Cristóbal.
Thank you. And who is representing Senor Ramirez Cristobal?
¿Y quién está representando al señor Ramírez Cristóbal?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Contreras, P81997 on behalf of the defendant.
Buenos días, su honoría, el abogado Contreras, y dio el número de su licencia.
Thank you. Senor Ramirez Cristobal, the information that the court has is that the officer in this matter has failed to appear.
Señor Ramírez, la información que tenemos en este caso es que el policía, en este caso, ha fallado en presentarse a la corte.
Oh. Attorney Contreras, sir, do you have a motion for the court?
Señor Contreras, ¿usted tiene una petición para la corte?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, at this moment, we would move to dismiss the case.
Sí, su honoría. Ahora pedimos que este caso sea anulado.
So ordered, sir, that this matter is dismissed without prejudice.
Así lo ordeno, señor. Este caso está anulado sin perjuicio.
For lack of a complaining witness.
Porque no hay un testigo que puso la infracción.
That means the people may bring it again.
Eso quiere decir que tal vez el Estado pueda poner los cargos otra vez.
The court is merely dismissing it because the officer has failed to appear.
La corte lo está anulando simplemente porque el policía ha fallado en presentarse.
Any questions?
¿Alguna pregunta, señor Contreras?
No questions, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any questions of Mr. Ramirez Cristobal?
¿Alguna pregunta de parte del señor Ramírez Cristóbal?
No, todo está bien.
No,
Right.
everything is fine.
Thank you, gentlemen. You may leave the hearing at this time. Thank you.
Okay, ¿se pueden salir?
Thank
Buena
you very
suerte,
much.
señor Ramírez.
Gracias.
Thank you to Ms. Cox. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias. Buen día a todos.
Buenos días. And the court is calling Mr. Reader, case number SX386-81701, Dwayne Maurice Reader, and the charge is improper license. Count 2 of that same ticket, improper lane use, and count 3, no insurance. This is the date and time for a trial and formal hearing in these matters. Mr. Reader, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Dwayne Maurice Reader.
Thank you. Who's representing Mr. Reed?
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596. Your Honor, the matter was set for hearing at 8:35. It is now about 9:36. Officer Clark has failed to appear, and I move to dismiss all 3 tickets without prejudice.
That motion is granted. Mr. Simon, these matters are dismissed without prejudice for lack of a complaining witness. And as you know, sir, the people may bring these matters again. The court is merely dismissing them because the officer has failed to appear. Any questions, Mr. Reader or Mr. Simon?
No.
None, Your Honor. Thank you very much. That's good seeing you again.
Mr. Reader, one thing, Mr. Simon, I'm not sure whether there are any mandatory Secretary of State fees on these charges for Mr. Reader. If there are, he will have to pay those. He can check on the website, 36report.org.
Yeah,
And-
these tickets are about a year old. I will check, and if so, I will notify Mr. Reed.
All right, thank you.
There are no clearance fees owed.
Oh, Madam Clerk says there are none.
Great. Thank you very much.
All right, gentlemen, you may disconnect. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Reader, you're done.
Yeah.
Ms. Lurst, is there anyone else ready for the live stream at this time?
No, Your Honor. I'm actually waiting for House Counsel